Trump returns to NATO stage. Rutte congratulates him for making Europe pay in a big way and praises Israel-Iran ceasefire deal. The Hague, 25 June 2025, former U.S. President Donald Trump made a dramatic return to the global stage at the NATO summit held in The Hague, receiving strong praise from NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte. The summit, marked by renewed transatlantic tensions and global security concerns, saw Rutte commend Trump for two major breakthroughs, pushing Europe toward a historic new defense spending target of 5% of GDP and playing a decisive role in securing a ceasefire between Israel and Iran. A new era of NATO burden sharing. The most headline-grabbing moment of the summit came as Secretary General Rutte openly thanked Trump for achieving what previous American presidents had failed to do: compel European allies to significantly increase their defense contributions. Europe is going to pay in a big way, as they should, and it will be your win, Rutte wrote to Trump in a private message, which the former president later posted on Truth Social. Trump, smiling as he arrived in The Hague, remarked, "I told them they had to pay their fair share. Now they finally are." According to NATO sources, member states have agreed in principle to a new defense spending target of 5% of GDP, more than doubling the long-standing 2% commitment first established in 2014. This bold new target, proposed behind closed doors by Rutte and supported publicly by Trump, is seen as a direct response to escalating threats from Russia, rising instability in the Middle East, and pressure from Washington for more equitable alliance contributions. Rutte's praise: decisive action on Middle East crisis. Alongside defense spending, Rutte also praised Trump's role in helping to de-escalate the latest crisis in the Middle East. In recent weeks, hostilities between Israel and Iran had threatened to spiral into full-scale regional war. However, a US-led diplomatic push resulted in a fragile but functioning ceasefire, reportedly brokered with the behind-the-scenes involvement of Gulf states and European envoys. President Trump's decisive action, especially his back-channel negotiations with regional actors, helped stabilize a highly volatile situation, Rutte said during the summit's joint press conference. The ceasefire saved thousands of lives. The Trump team, for its part, emphasized the former president's ability to get things done where conventional diplomacy had stalled. Trump's senior aide Jason Miller said, "What you're seeing here is leadership that produces results, whether it's NATO or the Middle East."